everyone, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch. Phone number is going to be 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Husqvarna Z254F Premium Zero-Turn Lawnmower. So we're going to take a look at some of the features on the Husqvarna Z254F. One of the first things is going to be that light bar there. The deck is a fabricated deck made of 10-gauge steel. It's a very durable deck. It does have 6 different cutting heights that range between 1.5 inch to 4 inches. Another thing that makes this a premium unit is going to be the seat here with the armrest. You also have a cup holder located there. Here we also do have greasable cast iron spindles. The deck is a 54-inch cutting deck. Gonna go around here now. Take a look at the engine. It is a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. And it does go about 6 miles an hour. This unit does come with 1 gas tank that's going to be 3.5 gallons. Here in the console, we have your PTO, your choke here, have your hour meter. Here you have your chute. And that is going to be the Husqvarna Z254F Premium Zero-Turn Lawnmower. If you're interested in this mower or any of the other mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers here, but we also have package deals that would include a trailer or handhelds as well. Give us a call and we can mix and match and make something work for you.